Imagine turning your anxiety into a powerful force that propels you forward. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover how. Psychologist Bob Rosen reveals that everyday anxiety, when harnessed correctly, can be incredibly beneficial. Rosen explains that viewing anxiety as a wake-up call rather than a threat is the first step to mastering it. He emphasizes that our fear of change and uncertainty often exacerbates our anxiety, making us feel out of control. Too much anxiety can make you overly controlling and mistrustful, while too little can lead to complacency and missed opportunities. Striking the right balance of anxiety provides the tension needed to drive you forward without overwhelming you. Rosen advises getting comfortable with discomfort, as it's essential for living a full and meaningful life. Listening to your body's signals can help you understand and manage your anxiety more effectively. When overwhelmed, techniques like deep breathing and meditation can help you regain control and reduce stress. Remember, anxiety is the energy that bridges the gap between your current reality and your desired future. Embrace it, and let it propel you forward.